So I'll go to active learning 4D first and try to solve it with you. Okay, the first question. Number of disks are placed in a box, and one disk is selected at random. So if there are 2 red disks, so I have 2 red disks, and they are numbered 1 to 2. So I have the disk, every disk has a number and has a color. So obviously I have 2 of them that are red in color, and the number of the first is 1, and the number of the second is 2. Okay? Now the second one is I have another patch which is 8 yellow disks, and these 8 yellow disks are numbered from 3 to 10. Okay? So that's a total of 10 disks. Find the probability of selecting a red disk given it's an odd number. Find the probability of getting a red disk given an odd number. So here we try to think the word given means from, so it's like we're selecting from odd numbers, or because we know it's only odd numbers are there. Yes, exactly. So what is the probability it will be red? There's actually one of them red out of the total odd. How many odds are there? 5. First is red, and the others are green. It's not green, actually, yellow, right? So in this case it will be, in this case it will be 1 over 5. That's it. So the probability of red given odd is actually 1 over 5. Is that clear for everyone, or I need to explain? You didn't get that. Okay, let's put these disks into more visual. Yeah, so I have, see, this 2 red means 1 and 2. Both of them are red. One has number 1 and the other has a number 2. Okay? And these 8 yellow ones, they number from 3 to 10. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so these are the disks I have. When you say find the probability of red given odd, so given information here is odd, so I know for sure it's odd. So I know for sure it's one of these numbers that are odd. What are the numbers that are odd? 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. How many are these? 5. So for sure it's from here. If it's from here, what is the probability it would be red? 1. How many red odd ones? 1. Only 1, this one. So the probability is this one, right, divided by the total of
red and odd?
Yes, exactly. Red and odd divided by the number who are odd. Okay? Clear now? Good. Yeah, if it's even, the same thing. If I ask you what is the probability it will be red given it's even, I have 5 of them even, so one of them only is red, so it will be also 1 over 5. Okay, now clear this question? Okay. Let's move on. This will be 1 over 5. Let's go to the next question. Okay, 2 dice are rolled. Find the probability of a sum of 6, given that the roll is a double. Okay, what does it mean double? What does it mean double? You have a die, 2 dice rolled. Okay, the event of getting a double means what? Double means the same number appear twice in both of the dice. And the first die get 3, and the second is also 3, for example. Okay, so that's a double. 2, 2 is double. 1, 1 is double, and so on. So how many doubles we have?
1.
Now, all the total number of doubles. No, I'm just asking about the doubles now. There's 6 doubles, right? So the doubles are 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. I'll just write them here. 5 and 5, and 6 and 6. Yeah, so these are the double. How many of them, when you add them, because the sum means addition?
1 out of 6.
Yeah, exactly. One of them, because only this one, when you add 3 plus 3, you get 6. Right? Does it make sense? So the word given here, so the probability of a sum of 6 given double. Again, the word given means I am telling you it is double. I know it's double. Before you answer, I want to let you know it is double. So you know it for sure will be from those. For sure from those, so it's like selecting from those. So selecting from 6 possibilities. 6 possibilities, only one of them. What is the chance it will be sum of 6? Any questions about that? Yeah. Again, the word given means what? This means given, right? One of the meanings of the word given is that it's from, right? In fact, I'm not selecting from the doubles, but I am throwing 2 dice in general, and I must have the probability of getting a sum of 6, right? But before you answer, I looked at the dice. You didn't see them. I just looked at them, and I told you, by the way, you need hint, by the way, they are a double. They are a double. What does it mean, a double? Which means that 2 dice have the same number. So what comes in your mind, you will know, okay, it means it's for sure, it's 101, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, or 6, 6. So it's only one of these for sure. And now you start thinking about the question. The question say what? Sum of 6, which means when you add them, you get 6. So from those, that was in your mind, how many when you add them, you get 6? Only one, which is 3 and 3. So the sum of 6 means when you add them, you get 6. Only one of them have this condition. Right? So from those, given those, what you have in mind, which is 6 outcomes, one of them, one outcome only have this condition, which is sum of 6. Okay? Yeah, excellent.
So when you make this 2 dice, you didn't sure it come double.
We didn't make sure, but I made sure to tell you about it because I give you an extra bit of information, and that's the meaning of giving. The meaning giving, that you are given an extra piece of information before you answer. So that makes the sample space for you more limited. Right? If you know for sure it's double, why do you have to divide by all the total number of outcomes? You only divide by the ones that you know that happened. What we know happened is they are double. So you only divide by the number of the doubles, which is 6 possibilities, 6 doubles. Okay? So that's the idea of the given. And that's from the beginning, since we started looking at a 2-way classification table, we always had, that only the given probability, you divide only by the count of the outcomes in the given event, not by everything. All right? Any other questions? Okay, so that's the case of second. So it will be 1/6. 1/6 means 0.167. Okay, next one. Okay, number of disks are placed in the box. 1 disk is selected. Again, we have number of disks. You see 8 of them are red. Okay, and the numbers are from 1 to 8. 6 are yellow. And the numbers are 9 to 14. Find the probability of selecting a disk number 3. Find the probability of getting 3, given it's red. Find the probability of getting 3, given red. What do you think? 3 probability of 3 what means the number, the disk itself has a number 3. Given that the color is red. So this is not going to be like that, in fact, it's going to be like that. Red disk has the 3 number on it, and it's red. So when you say given red, it's like you only look at the red. Just count the red. How many red we have? We have 8 red. So you completely forget about the green, because you say given red, you know it's red. Why do you look at the green? Okay, so if it's given red, so you know it's red, what is the chance? Now I'm telling you, I look at the disk, I didn't show it to you, I look at it, I see it's red. I am telling you it's red. What is the chance it would be 3? So the 3 is only 1 disk from 8, so the answer will be 1/8. So you only divide by the number of the given here in this case, which is red, the given event. Number of outcomes in the given event. It's like you're selecting from the red. And again, one of the meanings of given is from. So it's like you're selecting from the red only. You're not selecting from the red only, but because you are given this extra information, it looks like you are only selecting from the red. Or it's similar to the situation where you are only selecting from the red. So if you're only selecting from the red, so you divide by 8. One of them has a number 3, so 1 out of 8. Okay, so far we didn't really much need the rule. We just use the meaning, the concept of what does a given mean. What does the word given mean? Okay, saying if your die is rolled, find the probability of a 5 given that the number rolled is odd. Find the probability of 5 given the number is odd. The odd are 3, yes. 5 is just one of them. So that's 1 over 3. Yes, exactly.
They use complicating words.
Did they change the words? Yeah, see, that's a challenge, part of the challenge of this chapter. A lot of words are used, different ways of expressing different things. And that's why part of the challenge is to understand the sentence in English carefully and relate every part of it to the right place, in probability theory. So you understand what is this, what is that, where does this fit, and so on. So find the probability of a 5, yeah, it means getting the number 5 on the single die, like this. What is the probability you get this number on the die?
Given it's odd.
Okay, given that it's odd number. Number means 1 or 3 or 5. So knowing that it's odd, so you're only dividing by the number of odd, and there's only one like that, so it will be 1 out of 3 possibilities, because there are 3 odd numbers are 1 and 3 and 5. Okay now? Clear the question? Easy questions. Okay, so it's my luck. I tried it. It just came relatively easy questions. I think if you try it now, you might get some more challenging questions. So just give it a try. Open Active Learning 4D and try it. And if you have any problems, let me know. Okay, this question here, one of the questions in Active Learning 4D, it has a number of challenges, in fact. Yeah, 4.5 divided by 38.8, yes. But why this, what happened? See, there's a number of challenges. First of all, it's giving you percentage instead of probability. And by the way, the percentage and probability is the same thing. Yeah, because if 38% are Asian, that means if you select one of this, population, the chance it will be Asian is also 38%, which means 38 over 100, which is 0.38. So that means the probability of Asian is 0.388. Okay, and then now it's telling you also 4.9 are Asian chemistry major. Asian chemistry means A and chemistry. That's actually the and. This is a joint probability. This is two things happening at the same time. So the probability of Asian and chemistry is, again, if you divide this number by 100, that will be 0.049. Be careful, it's not 0.4, it's 0.04. Okay, so that.
0.04.
Yeah. So if you do just a small branch of the tree diagram, you know that the first event happened is Asian, the second is chemistry, so that the end will be Asian and chemistry at the same time. And he's giving you this probability of the Asian, which is 0.388, and he's actually giving you the probability of the outcome at the end, which is A and C, 0.049, and then he's asking about this. You should expect that. Even before you read the question, you should expect that this is a missing part in this branch, and which is the probability of what? C given A.
So 0.4.
So in this case, it will be you divide the probability of the and by the probability of the A. Yeah. So in this case, this number will be simply 0.049 divided by 0.388, and then when you divide this, it will be 0.126. And because he wants again percentage, you just give it back as a percentage. So you just multiply it by 100. Multiply by 100 to make it a percentage. Yes. Okay. But anyway, this is just what I expected. Is this really the question?
Yes.
What is he saying? He's saying what percentage of Asian students are chemistry major? Of Asian, it's like from Asian, right? And the from is one of the words that are given as that give the meaning of given, right? So of Asian means from Asian means given Asian, and that's it. That's given Asian. That's it. So it's true. This is what the question is actually asking about. He said find the probability, the percentage of Asian students that are chemistry. So what does it mean? It means find the probability of being a chemistry given Asian. So he's playing a lot with the words here. So that's what makes it a bit difficult. Yes, tell me.
First of all, no, I was catching up, then I got lost.
Okay, where did you get lost? Which part?
And they gave us the first and the last.
Yeah, he's giving you the probability of A. Is that fine? He's giving you the probability of the AND. Is that fine? He's not giving you probability as probability, he's giving you as percentage. And the percentage, and you have some percentage of the population doing something, when you select from the population, that chance you get to one doing something is the same as the percentage. You just divide it by 100. So he's just giving you in a different form. But he's giving you the probability, the same probability, which is the probability of A, and giving you the probability of the AND at the end, right? So what I said is that you must be expecting that the missing part is the conditional probability. And I proved it when I was reading carefully the question. What percentage of Asian students, I said of Asian means from Asians means given Asian. Right? So yeah, of means from, and from means given. Yes.
Another way, total Asian is 38%. Okay, so he need Asian chemistry major, so it's 4.9 over 15.
Yeah, but that's fine.
He gives it all Asian 38.
Yes.
And he need Asian chemistry major is 4.9, so 4.9 over 15.
Yeah, you're talking about the rule. Yeah, I was just trying to tell them that this is really the requirement, because some people, when you read the question, you don't understand what's the requirement. Okay, so I was trying to tell them it is the requirement, but he didn't say given here. He said of instead of saying given. So that's another trick. The people not used to this. Okay, because given means you're branching from something, and of also means branching from something. From means you're branching from something. So that's all of them give the same meaning. Okay, so that's this question.